Hello one and all. Welcome to VTally. Hope you all doing good. Today we're going to know how to create a company in TallyPrime to maintain company books of accounts. Let us start. After opening TallyPrime, you'll be getting select company screen. Here to create a company, you have to go to create company. In case you're using Tally in educational mode, you'll be getting license screen like this. You have to go to continue in educational mode. So from here, to create a company, we have to go to create company. Then by clicking back, go to company data path. Here we have to specify the data folder path where we want to save our company data. So I want to create a new data folder in my folder. So I create the new data folder here. Open the folder. Click Already to highlight the path. Click Ctrl C to copy the path. And go back to Tally. And remove the default path by clicking Escape. And paste the copied path by clicking Ctrl V. And select by doing Enter. And Enter. Like this, you can specify the required data folder where you want to save the company which we're going to create now. Next, company name. We have to specify the company name here and enter. Next, mailing name. The company name what we provided above will be captured as mailing name by default. What is the difference between company name and mailing name? So company name is for to show the company name in the list of companies while selecting the company or while shutting the company. Whereas mailing name is a name which you want to print on our invoices and reports. So we have to specify complete company name in the mailing name. I provide V and Company Private Limited. Next, address. Like this, we can specify the address and then we can go for state. Select the state. Then we have to give PIN code and other contact details. Like this, we can specify address and other contact details. Next option is financial year beginning from. By default, Tally will pick current financial year beginning date. If you want to make a changes, you can make a changes. Otherwise, you can do enter. Next, books beginning date. Here we have to specify the date from when our company books are going to start. For example, I want to maintain company books of accounts in this company from 2nd May. Then I have to enter 2nd May. If you want more features in company creation, you can go to F12 Configuration and can enable required features like provide contact details. It's already enabled, so we given the contact details and other details like use TallyVault password to encrypt company data, use user access control, provide additional base currency details. Like this, you can enable required features and you can save it by doing enter. Thereafter, we can see the security head. Under we can see set TallyVault password to encrypt company data. This is one of the feature to set high security password for company data. which will help to encrypt company name while selecting the company. To enable that password, you have to set this option as yes and provide required password. And this password is unbreakable password. Next, confirm the password and do enter. Next, security user access to company data. If you want to set security username and password for a company, you can enable this feature and can set required username here and set a required password and confirm the same. This username and password are breakable. Next, enable Tally audit features. If you want to use Tally audit features in our company, we can enable this feature. Otherwise, we can set as no. Disallow opening in educational mode. If you want to disallow opening this company in educational mode, we can enable this as yes, or we can leave it as no. Next, base currency symbol. By default, based on the country selected above, currency symbol will be captured. So for country India, the Rupakar got captured. Formal name. The same, based on the country, formal name will be picked. Next, suffix symbol to amount. If you want to add symbol after amount, you can set this option as a yes. Add space between amount and symbol. So when you add a symbol after the amount in invoice printouts, if you want to add a space, you can enable this feature. Next, show amount in millions. If you want to view reports in millions, you can enable this option. Number of decimal places. How many decimal places you want to use in this company for transactions and for reports, you can set here. By default, 2 will be captured. Word representing amount after decimal. So these also will be captured based on the currency name and country. Number of decimal places for amount in words. It will be set same as decimal places. This is how we can give a required information in company creation. We'll accept the screen now. Once you accept to save the company creation screen, it will be asking you the Tally World password, what you set. I give the Tally World password. Then it will be asking security control username and password. We have to provide that also. And enter. Once we give the credentials and if we do enter, Tally will take us to company feature screen where we can set required features. To know more features, go to option show more features, set it as yes. And if you want to see all company features, set second option show all features also to yes. Then make a required enablings here and accept. So now company got created with the name TallyPrime and company. This is how we can create a company in TallyPrime and can enable or disable required features in company feature screen. Now company is ready to use.